Choosing the right school is a big decision. We're here to make it easier for you. In this video, we're giving you an inside view of what it's like to be a student at Northgate Academy. So let's dive in. To start, let's log into the Learn Stage Student Portal. When you enroll, you create your username and password, which you can use to access your portal. This portal is your one-stop hub for managing everything, including student information, classes, progress, and more. Inside the portal, you can manage your profile with just a few clicks. You'll be able to update your contact information, upload documents like IDs and transcripts, and so much more. Let's take a look at the dashboard. This is where you can view any programs you're taking and click to view your enrollment details. You'll use the enrollment details page to show your program details, track your overall progress towards graduation, and access your current courses. Scroll down and you'll find your courses organized by subject. You can see your progress for each course, and with a simple click on Go to Course, you'll jump straight to your learning platform. Now we're on your learning platform dashboard. One of the most exciting features on your dashboard is Bright, your personal AI tutor. Bright is available 24/7 to help you with your courses. Just choose a course and click Initiate Bright, and you'll have instant support whenever you need it. The more you chat with Bright, the better it can provide you with individualized support that fits you. Back on the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation menu on the left. From here, you can access your course list, view your gradebook, or return to the dashboard. Now let's take a look at your courses. When you select a course, you'll land on the course homepage. Each course is organized by modules, and each module is packed with engaging content, including readings, videos, and interactive activities. Most modules will end with a quiz or essay to help you practice what you've learned. Midway through the course, you'll take a midterm exam, and at the end, you'll complete a final exam. To pass a course, here's what you'll need to earn: at least 60% overall, at least 60% on the final exam, and at least 60% on every essay or written project that's included in the course. When completing your assessments, quizzes and midterms are open book and open note, and the final exam is open note. You'll have 2 attempts for your quizzes, midterms, and finals, and you can submit essays up to 3 times to receive feedback and improve your score with each attempt. And parents, we've got an area for you too. Through the family login, you can easily track your students' courses, view their grades, and check their module progress. Setting up this account is quick and easy during enrollment. Using your parent portal is an integral part of supporting your student. At Northgate Academy, we encourage parents to be active participants in their students' learning by monitoring their progress, helping them create a learning-friendly environment, and encouraging engagement and accountability. And that's what life looks like as a Northgate student. If you have any questions, our friendly support team is ready to help. Give us a call at 1-800-339-7132. We look forward to welcoming you to the Northgate Academy community, where your success is our priority.